it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're here with MEL Science. If you're not familiar with this, I have done this one on my channel quite a few times. This is a monthly subscription box for kids that gets them into STEM and different sciences. So I wrote everything down because this is one that I'm not as familiar with as other boxes I've done. So these start at $20.90 a month. When you sign up and get your first box, you get this full kit. If you see my unboxing, I'll try to link to it in the description. You get this full kit, like a science kit, and then that has everything you need to do the later experiments. So there's a STEM subscription for ages 5 to 9. There's a chemistry subscription for 10 through 16. And then there's the physics, what we're unboxing through for ages 8 through 14. That kind of spans the most years, I feel like, for my family at least. But they also do have a doctor, like a medical subscription that's coming out. It's like you can pre-order it now, which I think is really cool. So this did come with this outer, it was in plastic, and then it came with this outer package that says Polarized light. I ripped it when I was taking my pictures. So this is obviously a light experiment, which is cool. There are 2 experiments in each box. Then there are like some VR lessons that you can do like in addition that come with the subscription, which I think is really cool. So let's open it up and see. So MEL Science, and then it tells you how to download the app, and it'll tell you everything you need to do. All right. So I don't know, what is all this? All right, so we're going to start with 1. Oh, there's 3 for this one. All right, everything is numbered 1, 2, 3. All right, did I put it in the right order? Yeah. And then there are bags, and I'm guessing 1, 2, right? That's cool. Then we know what we're doing. And then yes, 3. All right, that's cool. All right, so they're all numbered, so we have everything kind of made clear for us. All right, and then we have what looks to be like some sort of a stand. You see, and there's like these like clip it together. Oh, that's cute actually. I don't know how, but there's probably instructions. There's also some tape here. I'm guessing those are separate. That's just like something that we'll use probably for all the projects. And then there's this packet. This is for a bonus project. If you want to see all of these come together and come to life, check out my blog. I don't do it in the video. I do it on my blog. It's much easier for me to just snap pictures than film while kids are doing science experiments in my house. I'm just being honest. Don't ask too much of me. I'm not that good. I'm just not that good. All right, and then here are the instructions. But really, this is kind of, you use the app. You don't have to use the instructions. It's on your phone. You can kind of just follow along. All right, so let's go in order of each of the projects. So first we have the Polarization 101, explore how polarizers affect light. There's minimal danger, minimal difficulty. Looks pretty simple. This goes to that thing. And it tells you how, oh, so we will use the, see, it's a phone holder. I was right. And most of this is just how to set up the phone holder, but we will use this guy right here. Oh, it stays in. What? Why is it glued to the bottom? I guess it's supposed to stay in here. See how it's in the box? Okay, it's in there and we can't really move it, so it's like glued in, so I'm guessing it's supposed to stay in there. So I'm not gonna mess with that too much. If it's supposed to come out, then all right. So in our bag we have these little films. That's, I guess, how we're gonna polarize the light. I'm not gonna guess too much because I don't know a whole lot about polarization. All right, then we have colorful stress patterns. In this bag we have some fun glasses, a plastic spoon, a petri dish. Looks like a little frame. I don't know. We're gonna do that one, and inside, oh neat, oh, cool. So we're gonna see different colored patterns, I'm supposing, without doing anything with color, just using light. All right, and then our third and final experiment is the Polarized light Mosaic. This is actually cool. Thinking of using this for something in my own life. This is where the tape comes in handy. You'll be using this, and you use these little sheets to kind of make your own polarized light creation. So there is that. Now, I am going to create this with my daughter, Penelope. She's into this kind of stuff, and she's been pesting me to open this, and let's get to it, Mom. I want to do it. So we'll do that if you're interested. I'm sorry I can't kind of convey the experiments better because I don't fully understand them. I'm just gonna be totally honest, but they do look like fun, and there's not a lot of chemicals, which I kind of also like. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I don't know about that, but anyway, so I'm super excited. I will link down below to MEL Science with my affiliate link as well, if you're interested in checking them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.